so there was a trend quite a few years ago within healthcare to bring a health information library to patients. And so the director there had hired me knowing that I had some background in that. At the same time, that was kind of snowballing as there was a pediatrician at Valleywise Health that was also looking at creating these little centers and clinics. We had a planning grant for a year, and we looked at a number of different aspects. We had focus groups with providers and families. And so from there, we learned that providers were reluctant to identify some of those social service issues because they didn't know where to send families. And families said that if they had a space when they were at the clinics and things like that to be able to get answers to questions, that they would stop and use the resources. And so from that planning grant, there were 9 recommendations, and one of them was to create a family learning center. And so we opened up our first location on October 17th, 2007. We also realized that they were really interested in education for their family, especially their children getting ready for school, how they could get them healthy and prepared for kindergarten. And so we really started focusing and honing on those families that really wanted to make some of those changes and for their family to help their children succeed. We also do a lot of education classes. So we provide parenting, we do nutrition, we have school readiness, story times, and so we offer a lot of different opportunities there for families to get together with other families, build some social connections. We also focus a lot on early literacy, and so making sure that there's some aspect of reading and literacy in all the classes that we offer. I feel like the Family Learning Center has been able to offer some unique opportunities that maybe other healthcare organizations haven't been able to have to some of our patients and families that regularly come. One of the things that we've been doing is providing mailed packets each week of activities for the families to do with their kids. And we have gotten so many wonderful emails and notes and pictures of their families enjoying these activities, families saying they haven't known what to do with their kids, that the kids now look forward to having the mailbox visit when the packet comes with all their stuff for the week. And so we couple those also with some recorded story times that we're doing, as well as some emails that have some crafts and some other ideas and some resources for families each week. While we know that this year we don't know what school necessarily looks like, we know that families still need to have things to do at home. If you've got a kindergartner, you're still going to have them work cutting and learning how to cut paper and color, different activities. And so we know that they still need those supplies. And so this year we did a registration process and a drive-through pickup, and we're seeing how that works and trying to adapt. But I love my work here, and I love being able to help the families. And so I'm appreciative of the foundation and the Valleywise Health Administration, too, for giving us the support for the learning centers and what our future holds as well.